Look at the lamp is giving off so much light. I'm so happy. These are going to be on the tables, Pooh. Just put a mirror at the base. We got the base, the lampshade, and then this little hockey puck light. Right there. Little tiny light. How cool is that? And I have it by remote control. See, I can change the colors. Whatever I want. Oh, that's so neat. Put this back on here. I can even have it fade through different colors. You can't really tell in here, but it's giving off really good light. It's really pretty bright. So neat.